Alright, so we go ahead and I'm fired up the truck, but I'm also going to be verifying maximizing airflow. So what I've done, and what I usually have always done, but not with the inline filter, is that I went ahead and I'm using our outdoor line. We're coming up here and we're coming to an inline filter here. This is a Mighty Lint Hog. And then of course we have our indoor line that is going through the house, which keeps the dirt outside and the inside nice and clean. But additionally, what we did is we also went ahead and we removed the waste filter box from the dirty water tank, the wastewater tank. And we've also removed the blower filter as well, just to increase as much airflow as we possibly can. And we are relying upon this. I will take a look at it maybe halfway through to see how the filters look in there. I did clean it out, and we did go through here and we retrieved an immense amount of hair, probably at least enough to fill up this Kirby bag in here. If the Kirby was a pet hair removal tool, but it isn't. It's more of abrasive dirt, gravel, and that sort of stuff removal tool, and that it does very well. It beats the pants off the shark in that application, and that's why we use it, because it works so well for that purpose. So when you're looking to optimize your equipment and your tools, realize their purpose and their function and utilize them based upon that, rather than just by someone saying, oh, go buy a 360i and don't ask questions. And that's probably those are the dumbest answers I hear from people saying on Facebook all the time, is go use this and thank you later. And they don't have a freaking clue what they're talking about. So I did take a look at the filter, and the inline filter is pretty clean. Tons of muddy water though, so it is extracting all of the dirt and everything. So the hypothesis is correct that the airflow is good, and additionally we pulled out so much lint and hair that it's not even getting into the filter. So we are very clean, because we made sure that we removed all that before we even got started. And what that does is allow, just assuming that it's coming out, we can actually see that it came out, and we can see the muddy water as it comes out as well. So that is very reassuring to me that we are doing a very good, thorough green carpet cleaning process here. Hey you guys, I wanted to make a quick mention here. This guy here, he's got a portable 175 and some other equipment. This is where I started. I started basically portable stuff going through. And the thing is, the portable guys who want to do a good job, you have to want to learn, you have to be hungry for it. Generally make the most legit and best carpet cleaners anywhere. That's my opinion. Guys who run out and buy a truck without knowing the chemistry or mechanics behind how anything works, generally is a recipe for disaster. But anyhow, I just say that because I want to give some encouragement to some of you guys who are starting out and may not have the best equipment. I definitely started out with some pretty low-end equipment and still running some pretty low-end equipment, but I'm able to do a phenomenal work in most cases. So I just want to say that I'm not looking for anybody's approval who's been in the carpet cleaning business forever, but what you got to do is talk to people and learn tricks and little things that will help you out in the long run. That's the only recommendation really I can get to you. So I hope that you take that with a grain of salt and be able to use it and apply it to your own business. Have a great day.